Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Rod Wave here. He's back with the song called Checkmate. So we have this chord progression going on, this melody, so to speak, mixed with some strumming. And that's what's up here from the beginning till the very end. Let's start this one up. And we need to set a capo on the 5th to have the easiest chords possible, because we also want to hit certain notes and they are high up here, so that's the reason. Capo on 5ths. So with that, we're gonna go over the chords needed. So we're gonna start with the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then we have the next chord, that's the G. And you can have this actually with open B version here. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and then the 3rd E. We'll actually use both versions here. So both the 3rd B, but also the open B version will be used here for the G. Anyway, next chord will be the C. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. Yes, so we're gonna hit some chords here in the beginning, just pick, so to speak, from all strings almost. From that chord. So we'll start with the A minor, that's the first chord, and here you want to emphasize the 1st fret B string, all right, this one. So pick the strings A, D, G, and B from the chord, or you can make a downstroke, but if you make a downstroke, then make sure you try to stop at the B string and play that as the last string. So try to avoid the last E, because in that way you will emphasize the 1st fret B string. So like that. I think for me it's better to pick there. I have more control over it, so I pick the strings. And then I go to the next chord, the G. For this G, we need to emphasize the 3rd fret B string. So for this G here, we'll have another G later. But this one will have the 3rd fret B string with us. So I pick the strings there from the chord, and the strings we need to pick are the E string in the bass, and then D, G, and the last B there. And that is the note you want to emphasize here. The next chord is the C. You're actually gonna play 2 C's after each other. The first C, you're gonna pick this. You want to emphasize the open E string here, this note. You pick that together with the B, the G, and the A, which is the bass note for it. So one time like that. And then you add the 3rd fret E string and pick the same strings. Now you want to emphasize the 3rd fret E string, this one. Okay. So there you have the 2 C's. If you don't want to pick all the strings in the last C here, you can just pick emphasize the note, which is the 3rd fret E string. So you can just play all the strings in the first C, and then just add the 3rd fret E string as the next pick. And then we'll go on with the F major. And for this one, this is where the strumming starts. So what you do here, you pick the strings first, and then you continue with some strumming. So pick like this, or make a downstroke. Okay, so here you try to emphasize the 1st fret B string. Okay. And then you continue with the strumming, or if you just do the downstroke there, that's a part of the strumming. So 1 down, then comes clap, down, up, down, clap, down. So that is the strumming here for this song. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. And it starts with this F major. So And then you go to the G. Now you go with the open B version, so you don't play the third B here. You're gonna play with the open B, since that is the note you want to emphasize. You're gonna play one strumming around for that as well, so down or pick, and then comes clap, down, up, down, clap, down. So but the last down you will skip here, because in that down you come in with the next chord here, so you will chop off the last down. So the G will be just, and then directly comes the F major as the down. Okay, and F major is the last chord here. You're gonna just fulfill one string around there. So okay, so to summarize the ending here, I think we got all the chords, or actually we can just go over everything once more. And you will start with A minor. You emphasize the first fret B string. Then you go with G and emphasize the third fret B string. And then C, the open E string, and then C again. You can either go and pick all the same strings there, or just pick the added note there, third fret E string. And then you come to the F major here, where the strumming starts. And the strumming is down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Like this. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. And then you go to G and play the G version without anything on the B string. It's open. And you're gonna play down, clap, down, up, down, clap, and you stop there. So, and then immediately go to the F major and play one full strumming. And that's the end. Okay, I'm gonna take you through this one round a little bit slower than standard tempo, so you really understand what's going on here. So let's go. And that is how you handle Broadway's Checkmate on a guitar. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this, please let me know. Thumb up this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, and everything is good. Play tuned.